Hey everybody, my name is Jelle and you're watching my YouTube channel. Today we have a problem with our apple intake for the sorting line. So we got the sorting line over there and this is actually where the apples go in. So the bin goes on top of here and then down, and the water will actually let the apples float out of there and onto the line and eventually over the sorting line where they get sorted into the different sizes and colors, and they end up on all the belts where we can pack the apples. Now this lift is broken, so there's a chain that actually makes it go up and down, and the chain is broken, so we need to get the lift out so we can put a new chain in there. So let's see if we get it out and then fix it. Well, we got it out, so now we can get a new chain, put the chain on, and then get the whole thing back in there, and then it should be fully operational again. Well, that got us a new chain, so now we can install it and get everything working again. Dit. Nee, mooi. Ja. The chain is back in there, so let's see if it works. Now it works like a charm again, so we're ready for the season with this. You hear some squeaking, that's usual because it's dry now. When it's wet, it won't squeak. Simple as that. Well, it's time to start mowing again, as the grass is growing really hard. Thing is, the knives on the mower, they are completely worn out, as we already mowed a bit, but it doesn't mow. So I'm gonna put new knives on and then we should be able to mow perfectly again. So let's do that. Well, you know it's time to replace the knives when the heads of the bolts are gone. So we were really on time with this one. So it's time to replace them. We could have not mown one more time, because it's dangerous if bolts of the knives are worn out. Well, new knives are on, so let's continue mowing for the season.
Intoxicated, we're automated and overpopulated. We're all fish in a stream, swimming towards a vicious dream. Don't you know